Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about what to do when an iPhone won't load videos. Some users reported that when intending to tap a video to play from the Photos app, no content loads after tapping the video thumbnail. Instead, an alert pops up saying unable to load video because an error occurred while loading a higher quality version of this video. If you're also troubled by the videos unable to load on iPhone, fret not. Whether it happens when opening some older videos or after iPhone migration, this video will walk you through the potential causes and give you trustworthy methods to make videos load again. What causes videos not to load on your iPhone? Let's take a quick look at some common reasons. The Photos app is malfunctioning. iCloud's terms and conditions require a new agreement. iCloud's optimized storage option is toggled on. The video file is corrupted. The internet is weak or the memory space is not enough. The system is glitchy or outdated. Now check a step-by-step guide of how to fix an iPhone when it says unable to load videos. They work for all iPhone models including the latest iPhone 17 series. Work your way down until videos start loading normally on your device again. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. Force close the Photos app then relaunch. The easiest place to start is force closing the Photos app then relaunching it. It helps resolve minor glitches or performance problems causing unable to load video error on iPhone. Here's a step-by-step guide. Swipe up your iPhone screen halfway and pause to open the app switcher view. If you're using an iPhone with a home button, just double-click the home key to open it. Then, swipe right or left to locate the Photos app. Once found, swipe it up to close the app. After around 30 seconds, tap the Photos app to open it. Find and tap the wanted video thumbnail to see if it can load properly. Now an iPhone lets you watch the video. Disable the Optimize iPhone Storage feature. With the Optimize iPhone Storage feature turned on, your iPhone's photos and videos will be automatically uploaded and stored to iCloud. Every time you play the video, your iPhone is required to download the content from iCloud first before loading the video. If you get the unable to load video pop-up while waiting, just switch off the feature. To disable the Optimize Storage option, navigate to the Settings app. Tap your phone name at the top. Choose iCloud. Select Photos. If the iCloud photo library is turned on, there will be an Optimize iPhone Storage feature. If it's selected, tick the Download and Keep Originals and that option will be unticked. Now, your device will start downloading all the photos and videos from iCloud, which might take a while to finish. Once completed, tap the video again to see if the video loads on your iPhone normally. Power cycle your iPhone. A simple reboot is handy to rectify a variety of minor system issues on iPhone, including the video load error. Here's what to do. Press and hold both volume up key and power key for a few seconds. If you use iPhone 8 or older models, just hold the power key only. A new screen will appear with the power off slider. Move the slider to the right. The screen will become black, indicating that your iPhone has shut down after around 30 seconds. Keep holding the power key on all iPhone models until an Apple logo pops up. Once your iPhone boots up, open the video to see if you can access the videos on iPhone now. Create a copy of the video. Sometimes, when the video content is not properly loading in the Photos app, it's likely that the file is corrupted. There are two easy tactics you can apply to refresh the video file. One is to duplicate the video. Here's what to do. Launch the Photos app and tap the video that isn't loading on your iPhone. From the upper right corner of the video file, tap the three-dot icon. In the opening drop-down menu, choose Duplicate, then a new duplicated video will show up. Tap the new duplicated video. If it can load normally, you can tap back the original video and it should be able to load properly now. Make an edit of the video. Another trick to refresh and reload the video file is to edit it. Remember to tap OK first when you get the unable to load video error message. Here, we'll show you how to trim a video in the Photos app as an example. Open the Photos app. Tap the video that doesn't load properly. From the bottom, tap the Edit button. Under the video, there will be an editing timeline with sliders on both ends of the video. To shorten the video, move the sliders to the preferred start and stop time. Here, we'll only trim a few seconds. Once done, press Done at the upper right to save the video. It'll start downloading the new video. Now, check if you manage to make old video work and load again. Accept the new terms and conditions in iCloud. For the videos saved in iCloud, It's required to accept the terms and conditions for verifying and downloading the content from the cloud database. Otherwise, iCloud will fail to work and videos won't load on iPhone. So, if you've recently switched to a new phone or logged in Apple ID in another device, it's necessary to accept the terms and conditions. Here's what to do. Navigate to the Settings app. If prompted, choose Apple ID Suggestions. Under the new iCloud Terms and Conditions, tap on Terms and Conditions. View the terms, then accept it by following the on-screen instructions. If you can't see it, try to sign out Apple ID, then sign back in and see if it pops up. If nothing changes, just attempt the next trick to fix videos that won't load on an iPhone. Inspect the network connection. To load iCloud videos, the network connection is important. So, take a few minutes to check if your iPhone is connected to a Wi-Fi network with strong signals. Or, just enable cellular data and make sure you have an active data plan. If the network is the culprit, you should manage to load the video on your iPhone's collection. Check available storage on iPhone. Aside from the internet, loading a video also requires enough storage space. If you recently received a message saying storage is almost full, then it's most likely the cause why videos are not loading on an iPhone. To check your phone's internal storage usage, go straight to the Settings app. Tap on the General option. Select iPhone Storage. The phone will start analyzing its storage usage. Within seconds, you'll see a readout of the device's internal storage and how much is being used. If the available space is greatly lower than the file size of your video, consider clearing unneeded photos, apps, and so on. Once you free up enough space, now you should be able to get your videos to load smoothly again. Upgrade iPhone's OS version. Alternatively, update your iPhone's operating system to its newest version to fix videos not loading on iPhone. This step is advised to try after you spare at least 6 GB of free memory space on your iPhone. Alright, now, plug the device into a power and let it connect to a Wi-Fi network. Then, follow these steps to install the latest software firmware. Navigate to the Settings app. Tap on General. Choose Software Update. Your phone will take a few seconds to check for a new update. If a new update is available, tap on Download and Install or Update Now. If it tells you the current software is up to date, then move to the next solution to fix videos loading issues on an iPhone. Have the iPhone inspected by a technician. If the videos still won't load on an iPhone, it could be a hardware failure such as damaged digitizer and water exposure. Just reach out to the support online for further assistance. Or, visit an authorized service center and there will be genius guys to help provide specific guidance based on your device model and iOS version. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our video on how to fix an iPhone unable to load video error. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in getting videos load on iPhone again. If you did, please consider liking and buying this video a super thanks. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more tech-related content. Until next time.